Dear students, you have been discussed a lot of topics related English grammar. So today I come with a new topic that is conditional sentences. So this is related to your English class, and we are providing an English lectures related English grammar. So the main objective of this is to understand the types and structures of the conditional sentence. So, first and foremost, whenever we discuss these things, what is the conditional sentence? So, a conditional sentence actually expresses a situation and condition and its possible results. So, whenever you are discuss about the conditional sentence, keep on things in your mind. It is a situational base. It is a conditional. If that condition is fulfilled, the possible results are going to outcome. So I would like to give an example for you people is that if it rain, we will stay home. So here, if there is one condition is done, the possible results outcome. If it rain, अगर बारिश होगी we stay at home. So अगर बारिश होगी then we will stay at home. So possible conditions. So as structurally when you people are discussing about types of the conditional sentences, so first one is zero conditional, and after that first conditional, second conditional, third conditional, and mixed conditional. So there are the four and five types as structure. So first I would like to make you understand what is the zero conditional. Actually, the what's itself zero is saying that the zero conditional used for a universal truth and facts. If anything that is never ever for the changings, if there is a universal fact. So its structure is whenever you are discussing about the conditionals, keep in your mind first you will add if itself is the providing the conditional for that sentences, and the if plus present simple and present simple few people are used in the universal to keep this in your mind. So that is if anything that is universal truth, so at that time you are using zero condition. So hope so you get this, and let's come towards next one, that is the first condition. Actually first conditionals use for a real or possible future situations. If any situation that is real and possible for the future, at that time you use its structure is like that. If plus present simple, then will plus base form of the verb. Keep on things in your mind. Base form of the verb means first form of the verb. So example is like that. If I study hard, I will pass the exam. So here the first sentence is if I study, that is the present, and I will pass the exams. It's mean that if you do hard work, one condition is there in the present. If you do work hard, then you will pass. So hope so you will get this one. And second one is second conditional. Second conditional used for unreal or imaginary situations. If you are what we can say anything is unreal and that is imaginary, at that time you use its structure would like be that if plus past simple plus would plus base form of the verb. Suppose that imaginary, that is just for your wish, and that things are unreal, and that have no any realistic approach on that things at that time used. Suppose that if I will reach, I will travel the world. It's mean that that is the imaginary and unreal. If one condition, suppose that if you are rich, then you will what we can say that I will travel the world. So whenever you are what we can say use in second condition, if after that you use world. And most very important thing is third conditional. Third conditional is also used to express past situations. So its formula would be like that: if plus past perfect tense plus would have, and after it past participle. Past participle means third form of the verb. you will use. It means that in these conditions you will tell the past situation and you will the past perfect tense, so that the second condition should be based on the would have, and after that you use third form of the verb. In the third conditional sentences, keep in your mind. Suppose that if she had studied, she would have passed. So the one condition is in the past perfect. It means that the second conditional would be in the past perfect, like that the using would have, and after that the past participle. It is little bit difficult to understand you people, because in these third conditional sentences would is mostly used. So if you get any confusion in this, you must ask the question to me in the your comment box. So further, the last one, that is the mixed conditions. Mostly it is used in the your paper also exam. Try to understand this one, it is very important. So it is combines different time frameworks in the past and future. If any condition that is in the past and after that it would be happen in the future at that time used, it example would be like that: if I had studied, ठीक है, medicals या medicine, I would be a doctor. No, it's mean that if I had studied, अगर मैं पढ़ चुका होता मेडिकल, तो मैं आज डॉक्टर हुआ करता था या बन बन चुका था. तो at that time you are using like that in the past. So last one is the common mistakes. Mostly you people are seeing that in the exams. When I see the papers, when I check the papers, I will find these mistakes in the students. So I will tell you the some common mistakes mostly students are doing is. So suppose that if I see him, I will tell him. It is totally wrong. If I see him, I will tell him. It is totally incorrect, and you people are mistake. So you will say that if I see him, I will tell him. So in this you will do not use both in the future. Keep on this in your mind, dear students. In the first one, you people are saying that if I will see him, I will tell him. That is wrong. In the conditional sentence, you will always make the first sentence in the present, so your second sentence should be in future. Suppose that if I see him, I will tell him. This one is the correct. Second one is mostly we are making, our students are making the mistake is that if I would know, I will help you. So it is totally wrong. So you must keep, actually here you are what you can say, making that both are in the past. So you will make first one is in past and second one is in conditional. If I knew, I will help you. So this will be correct. So it is no practice. So I will give some questions to you people. You people must give the answer to me in your comment box and participate on that. So